The Mr. Coffee ECM160 espresso maker makes it easy to enjoy 1 to 4 cups of delicious espresso, latte or cappuccino. And the powerful milk frothing nozzle and frothing aid helps steam milk to perfection. This espresso machine brews 1 to 4 cups or 20 ounces of delicious espresso, cappuccino, or latte at a time, and its simple controls help ensure foolproof operation. The included decanter offers measuring marks with helpful icons up the side, a generous stay cool handle, and a drip-free spout for graceful pouring. Furthermore, the machine comes equipped with a removable frothing aid and a powerful milk frother that steams milk to frothy perfection. Other highlights include an on-off indicator light, a cup warmer up top, a removable drip tray, and convenient cord storage for keeping excess cords stored neatly out of sight. What are customers saying about this Mr. Coffee ECM160 steam espresso machine? Check out the customer reviews now at bestespressomachinereview.net.